Hello everyone. On behalf of Thinknyx Technologies, I extend a warm welcome to all of you to this Agile Fundamental series. My name is Suraj Kumar, and in my role as a technical project manager at Thinknyx, I have had the privilege of witnessing the transformative power of Agile in project management. This tutorial is designed to help you with the essential understanding of Agile. Throughout this series, we will dive into the principles, methodologies, and the best practices that drive Agile success. So, without further delay, let's get started. Let's look at the agenda of today. In this video, first we will understand what is Agile and what are their key values. And then we will see why do we need Agile in the current rapid changing world. Agile is an approach to project management and software development that emphasizes flexibility, collaboration, and iterative progress. It is designed to respond to changing requirements and deliver valuable results in a more efficient and effective manner. At its core, Agile focuses on delivering work in small increments, which is known as iterations or sprints, rather than attempting to complete the entire project in one go. These iterations last from 1 to 4 weeks and involve cross functional teams working closely together. The Agile methodology encourages adaptive planning, continuous feedback, and regular reflection and improvements. It promotes close collaboration between team members, stakeholders, and customers throughout the project lifecycle. There are four key principles of Agile, which includes valuing individuals and interactions more over processes and tools, encouraging working products over following a comprehensive documentation, prioritizing customer collaboration over contract negotiation, and responding to change rather than rigidly following a plan. By embracing Agile, teams can better accommodate changing requirements, address uncertainties, and deliver value incrementally. It allows for faster feedback, promotes transparency, and encourages a focus on delivering working solutions that meet the needs of customers and stakeholders. Now, the next question is, why do we need Agile? In simple statement, we need Agile because it helps us adapt and succeed in a constantly changing world. Let's consider a scenario. Imagine you are working with a team to develop a new software application. Initially, you gather all the requirements from client and created a detailed plan to build the entire application at once. However, as the project progresses, you realize that the market needs have shifted and some features that you initially planned are no longer relevant. In a traditional approach, it would be challenging to make changes because the plan is fixed and you have invested a lot of time and resources into following the plan. This could lead to delays, wasted efforts, and delivering a product that might not meet the current market demands. This is where Agile comes in. It offers a more flexible and iterative approach. Instead of trying to build everything upfront, you break down the project into smaller increments or sprints. In each sprint, you focus on delivering a small portion of the application that provides the value to the client and can be tested and improved upon. For example, you might start by creating the core functionality of the application that addresses the most critical user needs. Once that is completed, you gather feedback from the client and end users. This feedback helps you identify what features are working well and what changes or additions are needed. Based on the feedback, you adjust your plans and priorities for the next sprint. You continue this iterative cycle, constantly incorporating feedback and making improvements based on the evolving needs of client and users. This allows you to deliver a product that aligns with the current market demands and provides maximum value. Agile enables teams to be responsive, adaptable, and customer focused. It encourages collaboration, continuous learning, and incremental delivery. By embracing agile principles, team can deliver higher quality products, reduce risks, and stay ahead of the competition in a rapidly changing business environment. With this, we have come to an end of this tutorial. We hope you found it useful. If you enjoyed the video, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. To learn more about our organization, feel free to click on the link provided in the description box. We shall see you in our next video. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates.